Hi guys, it's Aspen Barney again. So I am opening up eggs today from I guess the Play-doh chicken. I had to think of something fast. So
Mom, you're missing it.
They come in all sorts of shapes. There's this flat one, flat one. It's a flat.
You can't wait.
You're not.
I wonder what's in it. Can't wait to see. Then there's this one.
Oh, James got to go to bed for school.
Jenna.
Circle. Oh, it just opened. Can't wait to open up this one, but I'm not gonna look. So there's this one.
We can have Raptors on top in 10 minutes.
And do it.
I'm joking, big boy.
This one makes noise.
Carol, we have to end this.
What's in that one?
What if the next missile that he launches is...
Look, it's a heartbeat. I can hear a heartbeat.
Your first act as president is going to be bombing the White House.
I'm just kidding. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, let's go. Okay, what one should we open up first? Let's do. Oh yeah, we're gonna open up this one since it got a little bit cracked.
And in Pakistan and all that.
In the USA. Oh look, there's a little white thing. I wonder what that is. Okay, well, let's open it.
Mom.
What?
I really want these lights on. That's why I want this one over here.
Good morning.
Oh look, it's a little. There's a little white thing, which I'll just put it there so you can see it.
Turn on the light on the phone.
No. Oh. Oh. Well, there's some Play-doh stuck in that. Trying to get it out. Got it. Okay, so now let's just to get the Play-doh out of it. Wait, there's one more thing. It's a little well. How sweet. Oh, it looks like it goes in this.
What the fuck?
There's like it has a little thing at the bottom of it. There's a little hole. Maybe it goes in there. So we'll just put that in there. It looks perfect. Ah. James, turn it back on.
Turn it on for a minute.
Oh, dropped a piece of Play-doh. Wait, that was the wrong piece. Ah, lost it. Ah, found it.
Where's my fires and shit?
Ah, okay, well, let's go on to the next egg. Okay, let's go on to the next egg. Here's the next egg. The one that had the little flat thing on it. This is the one that, if I hit it just right, it makes a noise. Let's open up this one. So it's just, I want to open it like it's a present, but then I don't want it to fall. Oh look, it's a penny. It's a penny. Look at that sweet little penny. So, we got a penny. It's weird. Focus.
What happened to the pen? It's mightier than my sword.
Focus.
Martin is the president of the United States. This comes with the full weight, power,
Whatever. Well,
and
it's
authority of my office.
1980.
Fuck you.
And so let's just put this where we put the other thing.
You okay?
Just gonna
Get down,
like that right there. And then, oh look, there's something else. Let's put this in.
This is the nuclear football.
Over on.
This key to the blood type and heartbeat.
Ah! I'm dropping everything all over the place.
Thanks.
Okay, let's open up our next egg.
The movie is almost
So we got
over.
it.
Look.
Let's open it.
Look.
Oh look, it's a little part.
It's
Let's
almost
just open
over.
it.
We've got that's 1:45, and we
It looks like
still
something
have-
for a
still have
party.
15 minutes left.
Don't have any Barbies. Look, it's a little necklace for a Barbie doll or doll. Maybe it would fit right over here. I'll show you in a minute. Well, hold on. Okay, let's open up our next egg.
You'll
So-
watch it. This one's almost
I didn't
over.
show you. If you can see it, I'm not saying you're blind, but I just want to show you. It's right
Why do
there.
you do that, dude?
It's right there.
Martin.
What?
There's a little drink. There's a necklace. There's a well with the
Another hat.
bucket. Then there's a
James,
hat.
no, look.
And the penny, if you can see.
It
Very
doesn't
close.
count
Okay,
down on
well,
this side.
let's open up this.
It says it's 2 hours and 11 minutes total. Okay, and right now it's
Let's open
1
up
hour and
this.
47 minutes. We're into it.
Okay.
Okay, we've got like 20 minutes left.
We got this little drinking bottle thing. Oh look, we got a little slipper. Yay! It's got a new hole. Set it up. Hey, there we go. That's how we set it up. I'm all out of Vicks. I feel so sad. Okay, well, bye. See you tomorrow.